Hello, Professor. So my name is Varun Nandu, and this is my web dev app. So this is the main page of the application that we land on, where I have assignment, experiments, and project. Project is the web dev project that I implemented. So I also have like an about me section, and you can download my resume or visit my GitHub, LinkedIn, or the Facebook from links over here, and you can check out the project presentation from link over here. So let's move on to the project. Uh, so yes, this is my project homepage. I've implemented a carousel over here. I use the TMDB API, the movie database API. I am taking images of upcoming movies using the upcoming URL and displaying them uh, in carousel. I can also move on to the next image or go on to the previous image using these two buttons, that is the left and the right one. We can search for the movies using the search bar, or we can also I'm currently logged in right now. Let me log out. So as you can see, my header changes if it's logged out. It's my header remains on login and register. If it's logged in, it goes to the username and the logout button, right? So this is my main page, currently logged out. Let's say I can search for a movie by title over here. Can either press enter or I can click on the search icon. So this is my movie list view, where I get all the movies that are related to the word Titanic. That's the title that I gave them. So let's say I click on the first one. Or this each object contains release date, a movie title, the small image, and a movie description. Now when you click on a particular movie, it redirects us to the details page of that movie. The details page contains an movie image again, release date, movie title, the genre it belongs to, the running time of the movie, plot of the movie, production companies of the movie, the cast of the movie. The cast can be scrolled through to see all the members that have worked on the movie. We also get trailer of the movie, and we also get suggestions for similar movies. And you can again scroll through to see similar movies. Let's say if I click on a particular movie, I will be redirected to that movie. Yes. So right. So we are redirected to Cloverfield. Now, I have two functionalities that I've implemented in this app. A user can either like the movie or he can write reviews about the movie, right? So I can't like the movie right now because I'm not logged in. So it just says please log in to like the movie, and even this review submission is disabled if I'm not logged in. So let's log in. But before that, let's check out the register page. So the register page contains these entries, as you can see: first name, last name, username, password, verify password, email. Now all these fields are mandatory for registration. The verify password and password will be checked to see if they're similar. If they're not similar, the user won't be able to register. Also, the email needs to have an email format, that is @something.com. Otherwise, the user won't be able to register. So let's register a particular user. Also, if the username already exists in the database, So let's say I already have an admin username in the database. It won't be able to register. And admin, sorry, admin@app.com, right? It'll give me an error. User with username already exists, right? But let's say if the username is not in the database, let's say give it a random name, uh, ale, 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 ale@ale.com, right? Click on sign up. So there you go. It registered the user and redirected me to the profile page. In the profile page, I have two divisions. One is the profile image, and the other is the profile description. So the profile image can be uploaded through this icon, and when you click on update, the profile image will be updated. Notice that these two panes are different. Like when I scroll over here, the left pane doesn't scroll, only the right pane scrolls. So yes. So let's say if I update the fields, so I add a phone number and I upload a particular image. Um, a random image. Click on update. My user info gets updated as well as the profile gets uploaded. Right now, I can also unregister the user. If I unregister the user will be deleted from the database. I can log out. Again, same functionality that I showed you earlier about the logout. We can also see various reviews posted by the user. We can also see various movies liked by the user. Right. So in order to do that, we need to write reviews and like movies. So let's uh, add some entries to the database. So let's say Titanic. Go to Titanic. And since I'm logged in, I will be able to like and add reviews about the movie. No. Right. So these are just some of the random reviews of other users. Since I'm logged in, I'm able to see them. Uh, they they are not my reviews. They are other user reviews. So if I like this, if I click on thumbs up, I like this movie. Uh, changes its color to green. That now it's added into my database, and I can give a rating for the movie. So let's say this movie deserves a 3-star rating. I add a title for the rating. Uh, Decent movie, could be improved. Right. I've added a review. As you can see, this review has been updated over here as well, and this movie has been liked. So let's just, for testing purposes, like a couple of more movies. Uh, let's say I like this movie, right? Let's say I like this movie, and there are no similar movies to this. And Star Wars. And let's say I also like this movie and also add a review about this movie, right? Uh, Best movie ever Han Solo dies. Right? This is updated. This is updated. So right, when we go to the view likes page, you can see all the movies that I've liked. Right? I can click on this icon to unlike the movie. I can click on the movie title to go to that movie. So let's say if, I haven't wrote a review for this movie, right? So I go to this movie and notice that this is already green now because I've liked this movie. And I say horrible movie, don't watch. And let's say I unlike this movie over here, right? I submit my review and I go to view likes because we are doing likes right now. Notice that the entry has been removed from the database, right? If I can remove the entry, I can undo the like movie thing from here as well. You can just click on this and the movie disappears, right? Okay. Now about the reviews, I can view reviews. Now review shows us the image of the movie that we are reviewing, the title of the movie, sorry, the name of the movie, the title of the review, the rating of the review, the date, and the description of the review. Now I have two icons over here, which are the cog and the X. I can use the X to remove the review. So let's say I don't think that Titanic review is fair, right? I want to delete this review or I want to edit this review. Better yet, I think it's a 5-star movie. So I just give it 5 star. Oh, sorry. I just give it 5 star. I say best movie. Mm, Good movie, right? I click on update. Notice that my review gets updated. It's now good movie, best movie, and it got 5 stars. Right? My rating is also updated. Now I can also delete this review. So I can click on the X to delete this review. So if I click on the X, notice that it goes away. So the review is deleted. Now if you go back and check to Titanic page, notice that my review is no longer visible. It's updated over here. And since this movie is liked by me, this thumbs up is green in color, right? So these are all the functionalities that a user can do on my web application. And also just to give a picture of how it will look on a mobile phone, since this website is responsive, I will give you a demo of that as well. Mm, right, right. So this is the mobile view for Galaxy S5. Notice this movie now changes to a home icon. I can click on the home icon to navigate to this page. I can search for a movie, Titanic, right? All the movies are displayed. This. Now I can click on a particular movie to watch the description of the movie, right? Notice that I can also scroll within this to see all the members of the cast, like this. And this is the trailer of the movie. Similar movies, same thing, like, review. I can also play the video. I can also, yeah, can also make it full screen. Not right. Uh, this is how the profile page looks on the mobile view. Uh, I can view reviews. Mhm. Or I can view the likes. Oh, I only like one movie. I can also unregister this user or log out this user. So let's just for to check the functionality, let's unregister this user. Uh, and I click on unregister. Are you? It gives me an alert saying, "Are you sure?" So I say, "Okay, yes, unregister." So now I can't register with it. See, the user is unregistered, right? Correct. I have two types of users in this. The user, one is called a user, the other is an admin. So, admin has rights to either create, update, or delete a user, and view. It has the right to view all the users. It also has a right to view all the reviews, and if it finds that a review is derogatory, it can delete the review. So I have created an admin user by the username admin and password admin. So you can log in using that. So yeah, you can see the first table is all the users, and the second table is the all the reviews. So let's say I don't want to put up this review that Han Solo dies. I can click on the X mark, right? The If the admin thinks this is too derogatory, click on the X mark to delete it, right? Right. So my review is deleted. Similarly for users, let's say I do user called V, right? I can delete this user, or I can create another user, say Jose, 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 and let me make you admin. Mm. So if I log out and if I log in as, oh sorry, Jose, Jose, uh, see, since the user has been added to the database, I'm able to log in, right? I can also edit the user information. So I can edit this password. Oh, by the way, the passwords are encrypted using bcrypt. So no one can get the password information from any of the fields or even from the database. And on login, it decrypts the password using the same method. So anyways, let's see, I update this field, right? And then see, and I click on, okay. As you can see, this field has been updated. I can, oh, I deleted a user called V, right? So let me just show you that functionality as well. That V is deleted. And secondly, Jose, Jose. Yes, the user information has been updated for this user. So thanks for listening. This is my entire web app. I did well. Thank you.